Sabi nila kasi may sakit coach. Ayaw mong magalit na, may sakit pa, may magalit pa, di ba? Double whammy. Welcome to the arena. We call it Volleyball Central here in San Juan. Again, Boom Gonzalez, Mosey Ravena, Selena Dagdag, Apple David, Derek Abit Ramos at the helm of this live and exclusive coverage of ABS-CBN Sports. Second game, Double Dip Saturday. And it is National U serving first. And it is the Marikina native who will now set for National U. We'll have more on the injury of Ivy Perez later on. But before we get to that, how big is that? Obviously the setter, and she's been doing very well for National U. How big is that for you?
That is so correct, because you know, I think that's very big. Why? Because Perez being used a lot more than Salibad, who used to set for Coach Francis last year. So malaking vacancy yun. But of course, with the experience of Salibad last year, tignan rin natin what she can bring into the game, knowing that Perez won't be here.
Yeah, she has to step up. There's no ifs or buts about it. The thing, though, the difference that we see, Mosey, is like Perez seems very comfortable setting for National U. Salibad, on the other hand, at least last year, there were times that you saw medyo hindi siya komportable.
Oh, may madaming hesitations on her part, and even the ball distribution wasn't as good as Perez. But then again, they have to make do and make ways, and if they want to win it against Ateneo.
Right, speaking of Ateneo, let's check in with Selena Dagdag. Selena, what do you have for us?
Magandang nakita kong laro sa Lady Eagles ng mga nakaraang laban. Pero siguradong sigurado, may ilalabas pa yan. These were the exact words of Coach Roger when I asked him his sentiments as regards to being the only coach who was the coach of the undefeated team in the league. He also adds that, of course, it feels nice to be a top. It is a lot of hard work, but more effort is required in maintaining the lead. Overall, Coach is confident about going against the Lady Bulldogs today. Wika niya pa nga, as long as the dedication, the fire, and the intensity is there, then kayang-kaya yan. We're gunning for nothing less than the twice-to-beat advantage. Boom and Mosey.
Coach Roger has seen it all, done it all. He knows how it feels to be on top. He knows how it feels to rebuild from the bottom. The question now is, how will the girls respond to if they continue to be on top? Because it's a very different feeling when everybody's gunning for you.
That is so true, and they have to remember that Ateneo has experienced that kind of level just last year.
Correct.
Diba? So, relatively new to Ateneo. Tama ka dyan. Yun ang big question is, can they sustain
and how
that
they can
character?
Handle. All right, let's check in with Apple David, this time from National U.
Boo and Mosey, sad news for NU as their starting setter Ivy Perez won't be playing in today's game after suffering a dislocated left thumb in their last game. NU fans won't be seeing Ivy in the next few games of Lady Bulldogs as she's expected to be back in the second round already. I asked Coach Francis how this will affect his team, and according to him, they try not to be affected, though Ivy is a huge loss. He told his girls that this kind of misfortune should only make them stronger as a team. Sabi pa ni Coach, malaki yung naging adjustment namin, lalo na sa rotation. But I hope after 5 days of preparation and adjustments, makapag-execute kami ng maayos. Lastly, Coach Francis instructed the Lady Bulldogs to move well inside the court and study their opponent. In summary, watch, look, then react. That's all for now.
Thank you very much, Apple. National U in the lead here, 5 serving 4. Another thing about the Ivy Perez loss here in the first round, other than we've seen that she has been setting the table well, her variety, her trust with her teammates, it's the fact that she's tall and can block too.
That is so right. It's your first line of defense against your opponent. Yan ang pinaka-importante.
So hindi siya nagiging liability on the defensive end because she's a two-way player. Sabihin na natin ganun. Nice combination play. Dadang was there to dig it up. And so was Kinglet. Valdez adjusts, finds a spot, and Ferrer had something to say to Kai Nepomuceno in the process.
Liza Valdez opting for an off-speed. It was a low set coming from Jem Ferrer, but crash to gold was that last point.
5-all. And the recruit from San Beda Alabang on deck serving. Kainglet Underhand set by Ferrer. Valdez, full strength on that one.
That was very brave of Valdez. Challenging the blockers of NU. You had Dindin Santiago and you had Nep Pomoceno. And winning that point.
Underhand set pa yung kay Jem. Dinala pa niya sa kabila. Tejada with a nice serve. The captain from the other side, Kainglet, able to take that. On the third touch is Valdez again. Rising to the occasion.
What a wind-up, and finally that powerful cross-court hit from Valdez. Take a look at that hit.
Oh, wow.
But of course, credit the setting of Jem Ferrer.
Yes.
Way on the other side. Ang ganda yung pagkakaset ni Jem was cross-court.
Yep.
And Valdez bringing it cross-court on the other side.
Lazaro steps in for Tejada here. Lazaro and Reyes are the two best diggers in the league so far. Very scrappy players for Coach Roger and Coach Francis. This is going to be a good duel by the liberos too, Mosey.
Well, that's why the spikers of NU is doing a great job. Credit some of that to Jen Reyes.
Coverage, no?
Uh-huh.
Ayan na naman siya. And she brings it to the setter very well too.
And that will be really crucial now for Jen because they have Salibat now as a setter. So the more that she brings it perfectly, mas madadalian si Salibat with her job.
She's not only the best digger, she's the best setter. Oh, sorry, best receiver of the early season here. And this is what we've expected. 7-all between National U and Ateneo. National U wants to prove that they belong now there in the upper echelon. And to win against, let's say, UST and maybe today, Ateneo will bode well for their campaign as we get into a Kit Kat break. Get ready for what's next. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.